Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can change color of cloth by using Canva. So I'm going to show you the perfect process. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva and I have one sample image here. Okay, so you can see the man standing with the black t-shirt and that blue jeans. So I will show you how you can change that color. Okay, so I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So first method is a very simple means you can change the color. It's maybe apply some image. It may be useful for some image or maybe it's not. So I will show you, you just choose what you want. So when you click on that image, you can see at here, you can see this two color. Okay, so just click any color. This is a combination of this image. Okay, so we have two color of this image. You can just click on it, and here you can see this is the image and this is the all color which image has. You can see the all color the image has. So you can see this is black color of t-shirts. You can click on it. Okay, and you can change color of like this, but it may be apply useful or not. So maybe useful, so you just check what you want. Okay, okay, so this may be not useful, but you can try it. Okay, so I will show you the second method. Let me undo everything. Okay, now we have this image. Okay, so we need to go in edit here, and under the edit we need to go in just Magic Studio and just scroll left right, and you find that magic edit options and click on brush, and here you can change the brush size. Okay, make minimum or maximum, whatever you want, just take like this and select the cloth area like this. I just select that t-shirt area. Okay, okay, I have selected all t-shirts. Okay, now here in describe your edit, so here we need to describe what you want. So we want to change the color. Okay, so I just need to write change color of these t-shirts to red. To red. Okay, and just go to the generate. So the Canva will be generate four options that you can select as per your requirement. So let me check, it will be take some time. So, okay, so he did not change color, so we need to edit our that prompt to red color. I want red color on this area. Selected area. Okay, I need to generate again, so let wait some time. Okay guys, so here I have made some changes in that prompt. So I just use simple prompt like change color to red. So here you can see we have the four option here, and you can choose any one and just click on done. Okay, you can see this t-shirt color has been changed. So it's all depend about your how you describe your edit your prompt. Okay, so here we need to write very short prompt, so Canva can apply properly. Okay, don't use the long prompt, so just try to use short prompt to edit perfectly. Okay, so that is how you can change color of clothes in Canva. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.